Living things. Biodiversity. There are an estimated 10 million species on Earth. For this reason, we say our planet has great biodiversity. Extinction. When a whole species does not exist anymore, we say that it has become extinct. Which animals have become extinct? Dinosaurs became extinct about 65 million years ago. The dodo is another species which has become extinct. Living things. We can also call living things organisms. Microscopic units called cells form living things or organisms. A single-cell organism is formed of one cell. A multicellular organism is formed of many different cells. Cells. These are cheek cells, seen through a microscope, and these are onion cells, also seen through a microscope. All living things have 3 vital functions. What are they? 1. Nutrition. We take things from our surroundings, which we use in our bodies to obtain energy and grow. 2. Interaction. We sense changes around us and react to those changes. For example, when it's cold, we put winter clothes on to stop us from becoming ill. We react to the cold. Or plants lead towards the sun to get sunlight in order to grow. And the last function, living things, reproduction. We produce new living things similar to ourselves. The simplest living things are single-cell organisms. They perform all the vital functions in their one cell. In multicellular organisms, cells group together to share different tasks. Tissues are made from cells of a similar type, and they all work together to do a particular job. Organs are made from tissues which all work together to do a particular job, and systems are made from several organs working together. Examples of tissues include muscle, the lining of the intestine, and the lining of the lungs. And organs, can you think of some examples of organs? The brain, the lungs, and in plants, the leaves and roots. Here are some examples of systems: the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, and the reproductive system. Plants. Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves. Stem, leaf, and the roots. Plants are producers, autotrophs, as they make their own food. They react to light, to temperature, humidity, and contact with other things. Most reproduce by growing flowers, which produce seeds. Some reproduce using special cells called spores. The nutrition function in plants. 1. The absorption of substances. The roots absorb water and minerals dissolved in the soil. Water and minerals rise through the stem to the leaves. The leaves absorb carbon dioxide from the air. What are the 3 things plants absorb in order to carry out the nutrition function? 1. Water. 2. Minerals. Water and minerals from the soil absorbed by the roots. And the last is needed from the air, carbon dioxide from the air, which is absorbed by the leaves. Photosynthesis. Plants use the sun's light to make carbohydrates from the water, minerals, and carbon dioxide. In the leaves, the carbohydrates are mixed with water. This mixture is called sap. This then circulates through the plant and takes nutrients to the plant's cells. Breathing. Plants breathe. They take in oxygen from the air and excrete carbon dioxide. Excretion of residues. Plants excrete residues, oxygen and excess water from photosynthesis, and carbon dioxide from breathing.